Hey family, we got Jeremiah here with the air fryer. Showing what you about to make. Sorry guys, you might hear Aiden in the background. What you about to make?
Cheese sticks.
What you about to make, Jeremiah?
Cheese sticks.
And what do we got in the air fryer now?
Some fried.
Here. Sorry you guys, you can see my hand. I'm recording off my phone today. So sorry. We got some fried chicken. Not chicken, fish sticks up in here. And we are using an air fryer today, y'all. We got Mr. Sicky Booty here, Mr. Aiden. So how y'all doing today? And I don't know, guys. Hi, how are you? I'm doing good. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is, it's hard because Aiden's in my hand, and Jeremiah, hold on a second. Hold on 1 second. 1 second, Aiden. Jeremiah, can you grab a plate where we can put the
bowl.
A plate, please.
Okay.
Right there, that little one.
Oh yeah, this one.
Yeah.
This little.
Sorry, y'all. Hand me a thing out there.
This?
Yeah. No.
No, wait.
Sorry, guys. This is all over the place. We should have been prepared. Mr. Aiden wants you guys. Say hi, Aiden. You guys, this is baby Aiden. He's not feeling too good. Say hi, Aiden. Say how you doing. So, let me sit Aiden right here.
Oh, here. Oh, wait. No.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, you guys. Sorry. I know this is February, but alright, I'm gonna take the fish sticks out. Andrew Jr. Alright guys, this is what the fish sticks look like in the air fryer. You wanna ever wanna see? Yeah, they are very nice and crunchy in the air fryer, as you can see. As we taking them out. Okay. Alright, Jeremiah, sit that over there. Sit that over there, Jeremiah. Thank you. Thank you, Jeremiah. So now, Jeremiah's going to place some cheese sticks inside the air fryer. Go ahead, Jeremiah. Hey, Aiden. Aiden. You guys excuse Aiden. He's not feeling too good today. So, we're just going to do our best to try to go over the crying. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. Poor baby. What do you want, your bubba? So, you guys, 1, 2, 3. So, these are Jeremiah 3 little cheese sticks he wanted in the air fryer. Alright, shut it, Jeremiah. So, what I do is, I take it, you guys, and I push this, and I put it on fries, because they don't have a cheese stick one. And that's Aiden, see? He put it on for you guys. We're going to cook it in the air fryer. Jeremiah, go ahead and clean up your mess. So, Jeremiah, anything you want to say to the people today?
Hi. And good morning.
No, it's afternoon. I'm going to show you guys too. These are the chicken tenders. And I am making me some yummy soup right now, guys, because as you know, as I told you, everyone's sick in the house, so Jeremiah wanted something different, so I'm letting him make his dinner. But this is what the yummy chicken tenders look like. What you got to say, baby Aiden? And you guys, we did get these from Aldi's, and they very good, like very good. I prefer them in the air fryer, per se, for me. But yeah, y'all, we're not doing nothing much. We thought we'd come back to you with a cooking video. So Jeremiah, how do you like your, come here. How do you like your,
cheese sticks?
yeah, how do you like your cheese sticks? Here, hold the phone just like this. Nope, at the bottom. Yep. And you record. I'll tell you. Go ahead and record.
I like it all crunchy and so and good. And
What do you eat with your cheese sticks?
I wear it and some sauce on it.
So talk to the guy.
Some sauce and some and ranch and like the green stuff. Say in the color what it got it. I don't know what it is again. And yeah. Y'all gotta wait for a second. Sorry guys. Sorry.
What you doing? What you doing, Jeremiah?
Nothing.
Alright guys, so I don't know, can you see me good? Hi.